Hello and welcome. I am a hotel AI expert with extensive experience in modern hospitality operations, and I'm very pleased to welcome all of you, the students of Europe Hotel School, to your online learning journey. In the world of hospitality, we're surrounded by stunning architecture and seamless technology, but what truly lies at the heart of an unforgettable guest experience? Well, today we're going to explore the single most critical asset in any hotel, its people.
All right, let's get right to the heart of it. Before we dive into systems, strategies, or financials, we have to answer the most fundamental question in our industry. So I want you to think for a second. When you walk into a beautifully designed hotel, what is truly its most valuable asset? Is it the physical building, the famous brand name out front, the technology?
It's the people, every single time. You see, your team is the living, breathing heart of the entire guest experience. They're the ones who can turn a simple, average stay into a memorable journey you'll never forget. And managing this incredible asset, well, that's the vital role of human resources.
So here's how we're going to break this down. We're going to follow the complete journey. First up, attracting the right people. Then we'll look at how you help them grow into absolute stars. After that, we'll tackle the tough challenge of keeping that top talent. And finally, we'll look at the essential systems that hold it all together.
Okay, let's start at the very beginning, attracting the right people. You know, an exceptional guest experience doesn't just magically begin at check-in. It starts way, way before that, with the recruitment process. This is all about finding individuals who not only have the right skills on paper, but more importantly have the right personality and heart for the demanding and rewarding world of hospitality.
This whole process, it really is a strategic journey. We start with broad sourcing to find a diverse pool of talent. Then, we screen not just for skills, but for a genuine fit with the hotel's culture. The interview? That's where we look for that special spark of excellence. And finally, great onboarding ensures our new hires are set up for success from day one. Each step is like a filter designed to help you build a truly world-class team.
So you've got the right people on board. Great. But guess what? The work has only just begun. The next critical function of HR is development. In an industry like ours that is constantly evolving, investing in your team's growth isn't just some nice benefit. It's an absolute necessity for maintaining the highest standards of service.
And development is a continuous cycle. It's this ongoing loop of skills training and keeping everyone current with industry trends. This is all fueled by having really clear performance standards and supportive coaching, all while showing your employees a clear path for advancement. That's how you turn a job into a real career.
Now, this brings us to one of the biggest challenges, and frankly, headaches in our entire industry, retention. The hospitality sector is known for high employee turnover, which is incredibly costly and disruptive. And strategic HR is right there on the front line working to solve this very complex problem.
Let's put a number on that challenge, just so it really sinks in. An average annual turnover rate of 73.8%. I mean, that's a staggering figure. It's often driven by things like tough schedules, a lack of growth opportunities, or challenging management. And just think about the cost of recruitment, training, and lost productivity for every single person who leaves. This is why retention isn't just an HR issue. It's a major financial and operational priority.
So how does HR fight back? By using a powerful toolkit. Of course, it starts with competitive compensation and benefits. But we all know money isn't everything. It also means actively building a positive and inclusive work culture, fostering deep employee engagement, and making sure there are fair systems for conflict resolution. And notice, career pathways are on the list again. It's just that important.
This quote really gets to the heart of it. Culture doesn't happen by accident. It has to be designed and nurtured. HR's role is to create an environment where people feel valued and are motivated to stay. That's why a positive work environment isn't a luxury. It's a core business strategy, plain and simple.
All right, on to our final section, the essential framework. Because none of this works without a solid foundation. Supporting your people requires a robust framework of systems and compliance. It's all the essential backstage work that ensures the entire operation runs smoothly, safely, and fairly.
And navigating these complex areas is absolutely non-negotiable. This means managing labor relations, ensuring strict compliance with all employment laws, and prioritizing workplace safety above all else. Getting this right protects not just your employees, but the entire organization from some very serious legal and reputational risks.
And in the modern hotel, technology is central to managing this framework. A human resources information system, or an HRIS, is basically the digital backbone. It streamlines everything,
from payroll and benefits to performance tracking, allowing HR professionals to manage data effectively and focus on strategic initiatives rather than just administrative tasks.
And that right there is the key takeaway. The role of human resources in hospitality has evolved so far beyond just administrative work. It is a deeply strategic function. It's a vital partner in achieving organizational success, profitability, and, most importantly, an exceptional and unforgettable guest experience.
So I'll leave you with this question to consider. You are the future leaders of this industry. Knowing that people are your most valuable asset, what kind of culture will you choose to build to attract, develop, and retain them?